Josephine from Design by Josephine and Josee, and today's video is a springtime tablescape video. Now, of course, I really truly feel like spring is in the air. That's the reason why I am outside, and I wanted to just see the beautiful flowers that I have planted in my rose garden behind me here. And of course, I added some more flowers in the patio section here, and I am going to be doing a video sharing some of the flowers that I added into my garden. And I did get some more David Austin roses, so I'm really truly excited about that as well. But like I have mentioned, today's video is all about this beautiful springtime tablescape video. And I'm really excited about today's tablescape because it is elegant, it is sophisticated, and it have the colors gold and ivory and just a touch of floral, and it's very elegant and it is very exquisite at the same time. And I'm truly excited for me to be sharing with all of my wonderful subscribers here on YouTube how I put this magnificent tablescape together. So before I even get started, I wanted to say that if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I want to say welcome. I upload videos once a week on my channel, and if you are into tablescapes, home decor, gardening, and how to entertain at home, then you can definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber and you're watching one of my videos again, I want to say welcome back. And like I have mentioned, today's video is all about this beautiful tablescape. And I noticed I haven't done a tablescape in a while, so I truly wanted to do a springtime tablescape that is elegant, that is sophisticated, and that just have the colors gold and ivory. And this type of tablescape is very sophisticated, and if you are planning to do a dinner party at your house and you want to wow your guests with a beautiful, elegant tablescape for a spring dinner party, then definitely check out this video. I'm going to be sharing all of the details on how I put the tablescape together, and this video is going to be relaxing, so definitely get yourself a cup of tea or hot chocolate or some coffee. And like I've mentioned, it's going to be relaxing, and I hope you enjoy today's video. And let me know what you think about this tablescape. Comment down below in the comment section. And I just want to say thank you for all of my wonderful subscribers who have been reaching out to me. And I am back, and I'll continue to do more videos. And now here is this beautiful, magnificent tablescape.